Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back to the homestead. Today we're going to show you how we winterize our equipment, whether it be 4-stroke or 2-stroke. So stay with us. Well, here's the short answer. We don't. We don't winterize and we don't summerize our equipment. We always take care of our equipment. We always change the oil. We always change the spark plugs. We do basic maintenance on them, but we do not do those things. What we do is called exercising our equipment. Now, I've learned this and it has always worked for me. Exercising your equipment, whether you live in a climate like mine or back in the north where I came from, we're in East Texas now, it was 26 last night, it doesn't matter. You can exercise your equipment and there is absolutely no need to run all the gas out of it, to put stabilizer in it, and to go that route. Because all you need to do is start your equipment at a minimum once per month and run it for about 10 minutes. What that does is that gets all that bad gas that's starting to decay and, lose its vigor, I guess you could say. Get that bad gas out of the carburetor and replace it with new gas. When it starts getting cold, what we do is we buy some fresh gas. Make sure you get fresh gas, and if you can get it, get ethanol-free gas, because that ethanol will clog up those carburetors a lot quicker than an ethanol-free gas. We have one station around here, it's about 25 miles away, that I can get it at. Excited about that. Once you get that fresh gas, fill your tank up completely to the top and keep it there. Once per month, set your alarm, put it on your calendar. I don't care how you remember it. Start your machinery. Run it for 10 minutes. That's what we're going to do today. Today's exercise day. Now, we also do add some fuel stabilizer to our gas, whether it be 4-cycle or 2-cycle regular gasoline. And that does help out with lubricating the engine, though it's not 100% necessary unless you're going to be storing that gas for a long period of time and not running it through and not using your equipment if you have an abundance of extra gas that's stored up and needs to be stabilized. Make sure it's not a fuel treatment, but it's fuel stabilizer. Now, if you're worried about the fact that we didn't show you how to change the oil in this video, it's because we regularly change the oil and do maintenance to all of our equipment. It doesn't fall exactly on that winterization schedule that everybody has when they put their tools away and don't use them for 5 or 6 months. We're in such a climate that we get to use our tools on a regular basis, but sometimes it is just blistering cold here, and well, that's relative, right? In the 20s, and we don't get out and use our equipment, and we keep that schedule religiously. Actually, we do it a little bit more frequent than once a month, but make sure you're starting them once a month, running them for 5 to 10 minutes. It's fine. And that exercising of those carburetor diaphragms and getting that bad gas out of there will keep everything in proper working order. So remember, instead of winterizing or summerizing, all you need to do is exercise your equipment. We appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share it on social media, give it the thumbs up, all that kind of stuff. Hey, and go over to our blog at countrylivingexperience.com. We appreciate also seeing you over there. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you on the next video.